go here, and we're back with a new Skullcraft episode. Ooh, I can make the chat. After I just added some mods, I've been off camera. I was playing off camera for a while. Added some more mods, yeah. But I started mining, found a village, and got some amethyst. And did this. And made this, guys. And amethyst farm. It's not completely done, but I did. Made me an obsidian pick. Also got me stuff from one of the mods. And I have some new things. I've been for like 6 days. Yeah, it's done. And look at this. Redstone helmet. The main thing I want to get, guys. So I get infinite everything. Infinite amethyst. Infinite a lot of things. I add a mod called Infinite Ore Generator mod. Origin. Oh, that's it. JoJo's mod. I don't know why I added that. I'm not even gonna. I do not know why I added that. I just had that in my mod thing. So I should add it. I don't know, for some reason so I added it. And I know that I added mods. I don't know much about it. Yeah. I'm looking like where's gonna be the origin? Wait, no, not the origin. Upgrade bench. Okay, I might go to another today, but today we're gonna be trying to get. I can find it. What did he just break? This sword is a sharpness 3 diamond sword. Even though I found it in no creative mode. Oh yeah, creative mode was these. I can't find these legitly. I can't find these legitly, I'm not gonna lie. But today, we are gonna be trying to. I'm gonna upgrade that a little bit. I need to kill that Enderman. What's the never? Hang on. I had a lot more monsters, so it might be a little laggy. I don't know how to make the stand. I do not know how to make the stand here though. Stand up. I did not really want to see my spawn point out, but it should work a little bit. So what's that? What are you? Cute. Maybe I should start killing those things because, yeah, this one breaks. This is 7 attack damage. Hold on. I still need some more armor. This is literally made up of obsidian. Yeah. Topaz. What can I make with that? Okay, no ore. This copper something. I just want copper. Iron. Well, I need some wool anyway, so. Okay, my goal is to just today. We're gonna be trying to make a nether portal and a. Actually, don't know. That's how I get this. I think I found a little cave entrance. But it had like. Actually, no. I don't remember that much. I just got a I tell you that I actually don't remember where I got the sword and things from. But I do remember I got this on creative mode. This on creative mode, and yeah, that's the only thing I got on creative. What is this? What is this? Let's work with this. Nothing happening. So anyway, I know what you're gonna be doing in today's video. Maybe trying to tame a dragon. Yes, I did add a mod. This is my village. Okay, no, I didn't. And maybe upgrade the village, or maybe make a nuclear supply. Maybe make that. I wonder, can cartographers trade ender pearls? If they could do that, then I gotta find a Photography table, not photography. I don't know what kind of explain now. But one of one of those you could train ender pearl, but I don't know which one though. What the? Who are you? Is one of my? I'm not at. Oh! What was that? What was that? Step. Yeah, no! Yep, no, I need some armor. What? I mean, stand arrow again. I mean, stand arrow. Yeah, I was doing all mining, huh? I need stand arrow. Yeah, I make stand arrow. And then I saw Jason. Let's go. I know. I said Andy. Let me see if I can get that 6 times. I said Andy be gonna be joining. She is, but she don't want to join. So yeah, she is, but she don't want to join. Yeah. Maybe I'm just gonna do this like a solo series. Crying Obsidian. What are they even yelling about at this point? I guess I'll find a ruined nether portal. I need some more food. I get lucky and yeah. I spent 6 minutes of my time just trying to get a just explain what I'm gonna do today. I only have 15 minutes. But dang, I might do it find another to go to another. Or try to go on those islands. Where is that? Maybe? I think Lou just spawned. I don't know. Cause I just added them on today and yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I was trying to spread all the time to get to this goal. Cause I don't even know how to edit videos. And I used to do it on my phone all the time. Cause you just pause it and play it. Nope. I don't even know where to go kind of city in. Wait, there might be a way. I'm sorry, but there might be no way to get Crying City in. Like I'm just looking and just there's another way to get Crying City in, but I spilled it wrong. I'm not dealing with wait. Should I make a part 2? Because this video might end quickly. Until I buy the actual full version of the first. That scared me. You know what? I should just get a Paxil. I'm dead. Oh! that's a no. Oh, my shot. Dungeon. What's with these creepers inside? No one got to loot that. It's like I need to just take these. Stay there, fat fool. But there's a nice shop nearby though. To this point, my night vision. I'm broken at this point. Yeah, I did first try. Get out of here. I don't have time for this. What? No. Oh my god. I can hate these type of spiders in my stick. Hey! The one time I'm happy right now. The one time I'm happy I'm in a dungeon. I'm out after this, I'm out of food for now. So I just 3, 2, 1, go. I like how I'm just having a mod and I'm not using any mod item. Let me rest them. I'm not that dumb, right? Looks like I am. I need to make, I know it. Do I have rested back at my house? Oh, why wouldn't it take off? You got me. Thank you. God dang. That was so annoying. Can I have redstone back here? They won't let me put them on. Guess not. I'm cold. What are you? Day 7. I'm not gonna lie, come back for part 2. Come up with this right after part 2. I'm about to do this right now when I get done looking for things. I forgot I had this. I'm gonna lie. No, I'm just gonna. This is the only time you're gonna see me going creative mode in this game. The only time you see me going creative mode, saying this now, the only time. The only a couple items. I don't know how to craft the